I have completed BCA from George College, Shalda. Currently, I have completed a course in Webskitters Academy. The course is React.js. My trainer is Shomi ma'am. She taught me each and everything about React.js. She cleared each and every doubt that I have. I am glad that I have taken this course from Webskitters Academy. Thank you.
Hit like, share, subscribe, click on notification bell. If you want to join the course or want a free demo class online, get the registration link below inside the description box.